Shanghai Baolutong Coffee Machinery Company Limited is located in Shanghai, a city famous for manufacturing in China. It enjoys very convenient transportation and extremely fast logistics speed. BTB is a manufacturer specializing in automatic coffee machines. The main products: automatic coffee machine, ice machine, refrigerator, cup dispenser, cup warmer, and other coffee machine one-stop products. It has brewing core technology patents and R&D team, strict quality control system, fully automated production lines, and inspection and testing procedures. BTB has a mold workshop. More than 85% of coffee machine parts are produced independently, with more than 1,300 sets of self-developed mold. Injection molding workshop and sheet metal workshop, intelligent ultrasonic welding machine, laser printer, bending machine, and other equipment, more than 80 sets. The products can reach customers' personalized needs from color, function, packaging, and other aspects. BTB has set up a cooperative laboratory with TUV Group of Germany and has obtained certification reports from CE/CB/GS/Roche/ETL/KC and many more regions and countries. BTB has established long-term relationships with customers in many countries around the world. Wholesalers, agents, corporate collective purchasing, and offline shopping malls and supermarkets. Coffee machine can be used in home, office, conference room, hotel, restaurant, cafe, commercial street, hospital, school, and many other places.